How to use Walmart Scan and Go. Let's get started. Using Walmart Scan and Go feature makes shopping faster and easier by allowing you to scan items as you shop and skip the checkout line. Ensure you have the Walmart app installed on your smartphone. Log in or create a Walmart account. Once logged in, tap on Services tab or look for the Scan and Go feature. Select Start Shopping to begin. As you shop, use your phone's camera to scan the barcode on each item. For produce or items without a barcode, look up the item using the search bar in the app or key in the item's code. Weigh the produce on the in-store scale if required and enter the weight. The app will keep a running total of your purchases, including taxes. Tap on your cart to review items or remove something you no longer want. When you are done shopping, tap Checkout in the app. Choose your preferred payment method, credit or debit card, gift card, or Walmart Pay to complete the purchase. After payment, the app will generate a QR code. Go to designated Scan and Go self-checkout area in the store. Scan the QR code at the kiosk to confirm your payment and complete the process. So this is how you can easily use Walmart Scan and Go feature. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.